Now, amidst all the DeepSeek drama, OpenAI recently dropped two amazing features. One is the ChatGPT task, and the other one is the operator agent. Now, this isn't just another feature update, it's actually the foundation of true AI employees. And before you start rebuilding your entire automation stack, watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how you can combine tools like Make.com and your very own Replit application in the back of a custom GPT to quickly prototype and ship agents. And this could be the secret sauce your business needs in 2025 and beyond to move from automation to agents. And make sure you watch this video till the end so you can understand exactly how we're using a custom GPT to not just do automation, but also use agentic features. And if you stick to the end of the video, you're going to learn a shocking trick to repurpose posts from other content creators and make it your own. Now, before further ado, let's get it. Hey, you probably know that OpenAI just recently launched the schedule task for Plus, Pro, and Team users. Now, this means that ChatGPT can now run recurring tasks automatically, even when you're offline. Think daily news summaries, automated reminders, and habit tracking, all running 24/7. It even has a notification system that keeps you updated 24/7. Now, here's the catch. These features are not yet available on the custom GPT. Now, this is exactly why today's video is crucial for your automation strategy going forward and how you can leverage these custom GPTs to create automated AI employees. I'll show you how to bridge this gap right now, starting with the social media automation agent. So first and foremost, what we're going to do, you can go to the website right now and get your own license key, and you're going to have your own kind of internal memory that you can use to operate this custom GPT. And don't worry, it's absolutely free. And for the first 50 users, I believe we still have a few left. You're going to get unlimited posts and schedules. There's a lot of new beta features that are going to be released, kind of DeepSeek, all that kind of stuff. But from first glance, it's a custom GPT, but we have softwares connected on the back that talks to this agent. So let's crack into it. So first and foremost, we're going to pop in our license key. I'm going to use one of the test license key that I have to quickly show you how you can start using your very own agents to do social media automation. You no longer have to be stuck with any automation platforms, and you can leverage the human AI collaboration to not only create quality posts, but also schedule them. So as you can see, instantly we're logged in with our license key. We also have a little bit of profile summary. So this is a little bit of memory that you can leverage to basically remember a few things here and there. Then you can go ahead and see all your webhooks. Now you can use as many webhooks as you want. You can connect it to an automation platform. This allows you to put any kind of platform, whether it's LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, etc. For demonstration's sake, we're going to use LinkedIn and Instagram. I already have a few webhooks set up on the back, but you can also use get webhooks, and the agent is going to give you a couple of webhooks that it has connected already for me, and you can get an idea what these webhooks are: Instagram photo post, LinkedIn photo post, all this kind of stuff. Now, I configured them myself manually, and if you want to update that, you can also update that yourself. There's also built-in data analytics capabilities. So if I say use code interpreter to provide charts and show this information. So the agent can now do some data analysis. As you can see, it's producing reports on the fly, producing really clean graphics. They're using the code interpreter on the back to basically produce these graphics. As you know, most SaaS companies are going to be dead. That means all these crazy interfaces, and you're probably seeing this as well. A lot of SaaS companies have all these new features, and then it makes it really complicated to learn all these tools. So eventually, SaaS is going to be dead. So we need to move to agents, and that means eliminating all these browser tabs. You might be having 25 or more browser tabs open right now. As I'm talking to you, you probably have that open. So moving to agents is a no-brainer, and this is going to be the strategy and the game plan in 2025 and beyond is to produce these kind of products. Now, let's get into the fun part. Let's say if I want to create some posts, we're going to start with a LinkedIn post. So we're going to think about this. We're going to say search online for quotes on DeepSeek. It has a built-in search capability, so it's going to search the web and it's going to figure out a few nice quotes, right? So here's a few quotes. All right, so to make this even more fun, we're going to make a photo post. We're going to create an image using DALL-E. We're going to say create an image of a robot on top of a rocket ship. Make it fun, minimalistic, and simple. So we can create an image. As you can see, this is, again, human AI collaboration. The more we talk to it, the more it understands how we post. And eventually you can schedule these off. The fun little post. So what we can do, we can take one of these quotes right here, or I like this quote. Actually, we're going to take this quote. We're going to put this right here and say create, you can say overlay with Academy brand and put that text. You can also copy the image. You can also have an API for any image generation tool you use. You're just going to use the native DALL-E image generation tool. So as you can see, instantly put my branding on it. Instantly, it has put a quote on it. So this is one of the cool tools here. You can make other kinds of posts. I'm going to show you. For example, search online for image of Mark Zuckerberg. Let's just say you want to do something else. Let's just say you want to take this image of Mark Zuckerberg. You can paste it right here and say add my brand logo and my brand academy on this text. So as you can see, just quickly branded it. All right. So now let's just say you want to write captions for the post. You can say use Claude to write caption about DeepSeek taking over with OpenAI, taking over, and OpenAI is struggling, something like that. And you can always refine the text, refine your post so that you can update the memory of your own system. All right, so here is the balanced engaging caption for your post. DeepSeek makes waves. Make this longer. Use hashtags. As you can see, it has caption and hashtags. So we're going to take just one of these images that we just created. We're just going to post this on my LinkedIn. So your post has been successfully shared on LinkedIn. Go to my LinkedIn. And by the way, if you're not following me on LinkedIn, please do for more updates on different kinds of agent builds, how you can rapidly prototype agents, unify your agent development. All right. So as you can see, just made a post on LinkedIn with that post and caption that I wrote with Claude, right? Instagram is another platform, and you can configure these webhooks with your agent so it can basically call these on the fly. I say post this on IG. Very simple. It's going to now post on IG. So the beauty of this is that when you're talking to agent, it's almost like your assistant. It's your entire process, and it should be able to help you. It should not be replacing you. It should not be taking your job. It should be enhancing your work. This is the most important thing you need to understand in this rapidly growing marketplace. So boom, this is posted on Instagram with the captions. There's other kinds of posts you can do. You can add text on the post. And this is some of the examples of the posts the agent did while I was away, because you can actually now schedule some posts for yourself as well. And again, feel free to get your license key if it's available. Grab it, post it, schedule it. I'm just trying to help you because this field is going fast and you all need to adapt. I'm not trying to sell you any school community or anything of that sort. I'm just trying to get you started at the right path. All right. So start putting content out, start generating leads, start booking those AI discovery calls. Now, if you're a business, if you want this integrated into your workflow, schedule a 30-minute discussion with our team. We'll get you sorted out. All right. So check this out. There's a certain things that I need to do like pretty often. For example, my links, right? This is my LinkedIn, and follow me if you haven't. Follow me. So encourage users to follow my LinkedIn in all my posts. Update my memory. I'm going to update my memory so you always have this in my posts, right? So your memory has been updated. Now all your posts will encourage users to follow your LinkedIn. Get my memory. I spelled it wrong, but the agent should be smart enough to know what everything is, all right? So check this out. Profile summary, follow me LinkedIn. Here's my link, last updated. So what we're doing something like a memory for the agent, right? And this is independent of ChatGPT, OpenAI, whatever. We have our own system on the back, stores the memory. We'll store it for you as well. And then what we do before a post, we do something called RAG. It's called Retrieval Augmented Generation. So if you're not familiar with the concept, it actually makes your post much more meaningful. So it adds chunks of text into the memory of the agent so that it knows how to post. Now let's just say we want to recreate that caption. So recreate the previous post with my link at the bottom. So this is the same post now with a link on the bottom. Now I can post this again on my LinkedIn and it's going to be great. All gravy. Now to make this fun, I'm going to schedule the post to trigger in 5 minutes. So now it's going to call another action. So the way it works, we have a CEO agent, and the agent talks to other agents on the back. One does scheduling, one does posting, one does updating the memory, all that kind of stuff. In this case, this is now scheduled. In 5 minutes, we can check the post and we can schedule as many posts as we want. But be mindful, LinkedIn could get you banned if you use too much agent stuff, too much bots. If you haven't, make sure to just like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates on AI agent development. Also, by the way, we have a free school community. There's a lot of cool content if you want to check it out. Voice Agent System.io, lead gen, client acquisition. We've done a lot of beta testing and asked polls what things people struggle with the most, and lead gen is one of them. So definitely start leveraging these tools and solutions to start doing lead gen, book those AI discovery calls, and start growing your AI agents. Last thing I want you to do is to sit around and consume more AI news, DeepSeek that, OpenAI that. We're all about implementations. If this is something that you want to do, definitely check it out. And let's get cracking. The next thing that I'm going to post is a video that I created using a video generation tool. So we're going to use, how it's going to get the video URL. This is the video that I created, and I can post it on my LinkedIn. So get my LinkedIn webhooks. I want to check if I've configured my video webhook. Looks like I haven't yet. So what I'm going to do is configure it, put together a simple template using Make. So what this template is going to do, it's going to take the URL of the video and the captions and it's going to post on LinkedIn. It's very simple to set up, and you can set it up for yourself as well. We're just going to copy the webhook URL. Make sure we run this so you can actually see this. You can also just run it all the time. I just want to see in real time as it's happening. So we can say add this webhook, and we can say text 1 is URL, text 2 is caption. We can now say post this on LinkedIn. So you can see that the request has been sent to Vague, and it's now doing the operations and posted on LinkedIn. So the video has been posted on LinkedIn. So as you can see, the video has been posted. It's great. Now, I've also posted it onto the other account. Okay, that's the benefit of using automations. You can take the video, the title, and then put it on any platform, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. You should not be doing the grunt work yourself. Leverage agents to do all these automations for you. All right. So this is done. So remember the post that we scheduled to happen in 5 minutes. So we posted this after 5 minutes, and that was completely automated, complete schedule. Now you can run these schedules however you want, and you can also use check my scheduled post feature to get all your scheduled posts. You currently have no scheduled posts pending. Let's make a post. Let's say, give me a quote about AI from Alex Ramosi. Now, this is a video actually from Liam Motley about Alex Ramosi's quotes, but we can just take this quote given by Alex Ramosi, and we can say, create a quote post. Now, we're going to be adding different kinds of posts, social media posts, that's standard templates. We're going to pop it into this agent so you can automate this stuff. So we have something like create quote post by Alex Ramosi. So we have a template like this with the quote and the post, all right? So let's just say if I want to add my brand to this, I say add brand academy on it. So it's going to add my own branding. So this is my branding with the quote post. And if you want to use your own branding, you can just upload this image right here. You can just paste it on here, right? You notice there is a image. You're just going to copy the image address, and you can also take this image address. You can say create brand image. So this is not entirely perfect, but what you can do is flip the images. And again, your assistant out of the box is not going to be perfect. That's why we use something called fine tuning. So as you're talking to it, it's going to understand, oh, this is how it works. So what we're doing is fine tuning the process. And then eventually you can leverage all the conversation into the prompt so it gets a little bit more smarter, right? So as you can see, we have the branding on the top left. This could be your branding or whatever for the post. Now we're going to schedule this again in 5 minutes. Schedule this post to trigger on my LinkedIn in 5 minutes. So your post is going to go live in 5 minutes. Also, you can look at your config file for a profile summary and all the other details, etc. So you can keep on using it. We do have a cap. So, again, this is an experiment feature. Definitely use it. Don't abuse it, right? Your boy still needs to manage the servers on the back. So cut me some slack. But if you like this and if you want to build custom GPTs just like this, then definitely I'm going to put some links. Check it out. And also, if you haven't, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on the YouTube channel in this video, so you get notified every time I drop a new video, content about AI agents, OpenAI Assistant API, Pydantic agents, open source, DeepSeek, everything, right? But it's very important that you get updated with the latest and greatest. We're all about implementation, all right? So again, thank you for watching. When you're ready, drop the silly chatbots and unleash the full potential of your AI agents.